Happy New Year, everybody! It's the start of a new decade, and as a New Year's resolution, I've decided to reboot this channel, making one video every week. Now, I've also decided that it would probably be fun if each month had its own theme. So for January, I decided to go with a series of what I think are very difficult brain teasers. And by the way, I will be offering a cash prize to the first person who correctly solves all 5 of this month's brain teasers. How much will that prize be? Well, it depends on how well these videos do. I promise it'll be at least $50. But on top of that, I'm going to add 100% of the ad revenue I received from these brain teaser videos to that prize. So if this thing goes viral, that could easily reach thousands of dollars. And I'll just leave these videos up until somebody claims the prize. But if nobody does by the end of the year, I'm going to donate all of that prize money to the Against Malaria Foundation, which, according to my research, saves the most number of lives per dollar of any charity out there. You can consult the description section down below for the official rules, which describes a clever way I came up with so that you can claim the prize without blurting out any of the answers in the comments section. By the way, if you want any chance at winning that prize, I suggest you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell down below. And if you want that prize money to be really big, I suggest you do what you can to help propagate this video. Share it on social media, hit the thumbs up, post some comments down below. Now, obviously, you don't want to give away the answer, so I would suggest you post a bad answer in the comments. Anyway, on to the first brain teaser. Suppose on the desk in front of you, there is a series of 1,000 switches, all in the off position. Out of boredom, you decide to flip every switch, one after the other. When you reach the end, you go back to the beginning, and this time you decide to flip every second switch from beginning to end. Then you go back through switching every third switch, and again with every fourth switch, and every fifth switch, and so on. After you've gone through all 1,000 iterations of this process, how many switches will be left in the on position?